Hello students, welcome to this session of your computer class. Last class we have read about the ethical issue or computer ethics. So points whatever we have discussed, that is about the six major points we have discussed about the ethics of the computer. But now we'll see unethical practices. What are the ethical are there? Ethical points are there. We all have to obey about this formalities, or we all have to obey these standard moral conducts. But actually, in really, how many of you are obeying or not obeying? But some of the peoples are there in our society, they are not obeying these ethical issues or this standard moral ethics, by which sometimes many problems arises. Many peoples are facing the problem. Many people are also losing their by wealth, by mental harassment. Many type of problem arises. So we'll see what are the unethical practices are going on in our world. Okay, some of the peoples are there, they are purposefully they are not following these ethical moral issues. Some of the peoples are there, they are intentionally, they are for their benefit, they are not following the standard ethics. So we'll see this what are the different types of problems are arising, and what are the different benefits they are getting by not following the ethics. So that is called your unethical practices. So let us discuss about that. These practices should not be encouraged and should be prohibited. But one thing, they are doing like that manner, but it is prohibited. We should not do that. Some people may be doing for their benefit, but if they will be catched, they will locate, they also getting the punishment for that under the law, under the our police peoples, they are catching, and they are also under the law, they getting the punishment by physical punishment, monetary punishment, they are also getting. So we should not do these all things. Okay, we always, whenever we are using the computer, that time you always follow the ethical standard moral rules. Okay, which one I told you. But what are the different types of unethical issues are there, that we should know a little bit. Okay, so that is why we'll discuss here something, what is going on through the internet, unethical type of work, what it is going on. Regarding that, will be first one, it is that your plagiarism. So plagiarism means what? So plagiarism means what? Very simple things. It is your suppose one essay is asked to your teacher to write. Okay, and that essay, by putting your own brain, by putting your own source, you wrote it, that essay, and completed, and we took the time also, 1 day time you are taken and took that one to complete it. But by then after completion, your another friend, if he is taking it away, okay, hidingly, and he writing himself by looking your essay and giving to the teacher, then how you feel? The same thing. So it hurts you also. It will be hurt to you, because it is your own document, your own information, whatever from a long time you wrote that essay. But your friend stolen that essay and taken it away and wrote it by looking that one in his note copy and shown to the teacher, by which credit he will got, you not, by which how you feel at that time. So same way here also it happens in the computer software. Okay, so this is called plagiarism. Okay, so plagiarism refers to the use of other person's idea or part of their copyright work and pretend that it is your own. Okay, so copyright, the idea whatever others idea, if it is stealing by someone and using in his document and pretending that it is my document. So that is called plagiarism. So it happens in everywhere, in music, in musicians, writers, poems, everywhere. Who writers writes the book. So after writing, after effort, very heavy effort they are giving to complete a book, but someone else are there. They are taking the idea from the book and writing their own book, and they are declaring that it is my own writing. So these all things, and song, music, these all things that happens day by day. In ancient day also it was happening. Nowadays also it is going on. These people composed, wrote their work, frame and recognition rather than they earn the living. So the people, those are writer, those are the composers, song composer, the musicians, they by their own effort by putting, okay, so they are a long time by taking, they are completing one task, but someone else will steal it and use in their work, and thereafter they declare that it is my own work, by which this originally who developed this one, so they are getting harassment. So, and that one is the heavy loss for the person who originally developed. It happens in everywhere. Okay, everywhere it happens. So the question of the copyright, for that law already we have already copyright law. By following the law, if that person will be claimed or that person will file a case, then who is stealing, he will and prove it, and the person who is accused, he will get punishment also for that. So that is called copyright law. Okay, and however, the important copyright was recognized only after the invention of printing press. But previously, when it was early ancient time, it was very rare case it is arised. But when the printing press it is introduced, and huge quantity of printing materials can be print, okay, and publishers they started to print the books and the newspaper, and thereafter this issue are increased drastically. And nowadays also internet is there, so through the internet also it is publishing. The information is stealing. Okay, and this plagiarism things are also very heavily spreading by using internet. So that is why we should stop it. We should not take idea, our own idea we should apply there. Whenever you are supposed to write, we should not take the help of any other idea, or we cannot take the information from anybody's own creation. So we should apply our own mind, our own effort, and we should complete the task. Okay, so when a large quantity of content in various form could be reproduced, and this problem will arise when a large quantity of information it is reproduced once again. So when a book to be published, thousands copy of the book, when newspaper, the lakhs of newspaper copies to be produced. So when this type of printing presses are introduced, then thousands of information copy it is produced. At that time, this problem becomes serious. And what are the guidelines? We'll see. What are the guidelines to prevent this plagiarism? First of all, the easiest way to prevent plagiarism is the citation. Citation, that means acknowledged the original writer with their content being taken. So you have to inform him. Suppose any person's information, or you are taking his words in your document, then you have to be acknowledged. You have to mention their acknowledgement note, you have to mention in that book, or you have to give a letter to him that we are acknowledged that we are taking this all information. So like that you must have seen in the books also, in different books, course book, your first page acknowledgement page it is appearing. So acknowledge means that only we have to be thankful to them because we are taken their information. So that is done. If someone's copyrighted material is taken, then try to edit in such a manner as possible. Okay, so if someone's copyrighted materials is being taken, then try to edit it as much as possible. So change it. Only idea if you are taken, completely the same to same, don't write it. Okay, if anybody's idea you are taking, you try to change, modify it. Modified way you have to represent. So that is why it is called edit it. Okay, thereafter use quotation mark if it complete the same word or same sentence if you are taken from anybody's information or from anybody's book. So keep it in quotation, or that word should be remain in quotation, by which it can indicate that it is not in your own word, it is taken from other book. Okay, so use quotation mark around the quoted words to prevent the plagiarism. Then taking content from the original source gives more strength to your material, but still try to bring out the originality. So taking content from the original source gives more strength to your material, but still bring out the originality. So it is good. Or others information to use in your document, it's good. Okay, it gives more weightage to your valuable document, but try as much as possible, try to put your own strength, your own mind in that document. Maybe a book, maybe essay, maybe a poem, or anything, whatever you are doing. So try to use your own words there. Don't take others' word much more to complete the task. Okay, thank you.